tall palace heritage. So if you're looking for a beautiful royal experience to stay in Jaipur, then this is your place. I'll be sharing the link below in description. So if you're planning to visit to Jaipur anytime soon, this is your place. Also, boutique hotels are so precious. We get these beautiful rooms for so nominal prices, and also this is a good way of helping locals. Here we are at our first stop. It's Patrika Gate and it's so beautiful. I can't wait to show you all the insides. It's so colorful and definitely an Insta-worthy stop to make in Jaipur. It's located 30 minutes outside the city, and the best part is there's no entry fee or there are no days when it's closed. It's open 7 days a week, 24 hours a day. So night shoot, day shoot, anything is fine over here. And look at the colors. This monument is by far the most beautiful monument I've ever been to, and I'll never forget it. Kund is a hidden gem of Jaipur located right next to Amer Fort. Also, if you're looking for a 1,000-year-old Stepwell to visit, this is just your place. It's so beautiful with this amazing view and different angles to shoot from. Also, it's free of cost and open until only 5 p.m. So plan your day accordingly. It's a must-visit place. If you are in Jaipur, do not forget to visit here. It's really beautiful and you won't see something like this in a city. Our next stop is Watchtower on Amer Fort. So it's not located exactly inside the fort, but it's on the border of Amer Fort, and the walk to this place was around 10 minutes and the view from there was breathtaking. It's a beautiful hidden gem of Jaipur where you can actually beat the tourist crowd and get your perfect Instagrammable picture of with Amer Fort actually, and also the city line of Jaipur. So this right there behind the sun, right around sun, is Amer Fort, and this is our watchtower. This is the beautiful view I was talking about during golden hour. You could actually see half of Jaipur from here. It was 360 without any hustle bustle of the city. It was so relaxing. I actually loved this place. So our next stop for capturing that perfect picture in Jaipur is actually Albert Hall Museum. So Albert Hall Museum is one of the oldest museums of Rajasthan and has this perfect architecture of Indo-Saracenic beauty that we can actually capture alongside pigeons. So it's a very famous spot for pigeon as well in Jaipur. And the best part about this museum is that you can shoot inside as well and capture these beautiful passages. And also one unique thing about this museum is that each room has its own unique decor and captures a different beauty of different place and era. High ceilings and this colorful passages gives a lot of Roman vibes as well. Also, there's this beautiful open space in the museum alongside a garden where you can actually have a picnic as well and click beautiful pictures. So Albert Hall Museum should definitely be on your list if you are visiting Jaipur anytime soon. We are at the most iconic spot in Jaipur, that's Hawa Mahal. And I know it's very common, but you know the secret behind to get a perfect shot with this place is right across the street and not right here, because it's impossible to capture this magnificent building with your phone camera. So there's this cafe called as Wind View Cafe right across the street, where you can actually enjoy some good food and get a perfect picture with this place. So next time you're here, do go visit. Also, thank you so much for watching this video. Also, do not forget to hit subscribe and like this video. I hope it was useful in some or the other way, and next time you are in Jaipur, you'll surely remember me. You can check out my pictures from this trip on my Instagram account. The link is right below in the description. Take care, you guys. See you soon in my next video. Bye bye.